I just wanted to mention that Key Credit Report has helped me very drastically change my credit report from the mid 500s. It was crazy. 500, it was like medium 500s to the medium 600s, like in a matter of 30 days versus a credit repair company that I'm not even going to mention. That was just a headache to deal with. And every time they removed something, like every time that credit company had removed something, it just came back. But with Key Credit Report, it has not came back. They have not came back. They stayed off my report permanently. So far, it's been very positive. The people that help me online, they are wonderful. They answer all my questions, and the ladies that are on the phone, including Carol, they are marvelous. Carol is wonderful. She actually helped me out throughout my whole entire experience today. I just wanted to do a video testimonial to basically acknowledge Carol and her great customer service. And I thank you for being a great part of my life. You know, it's like this is helping me in the long run. I wanted to also thank the other guy that helped me the other day. I can't remember his name, but he helped me out very well. Very, very friendly people. I would highly recommend these people to other people if you're looking for a credit repair company that would actually help you. You know, it's not about, it's about service and how they make it to where you can have a better credit score. These other credit repair companies, they're taking advantage of you, but this company, they don't take advantage of you. They offer you plenty of good discounts, like the $100 refer a friend discount, the $100 video testimonial discount, and I highly recommend that customers who come onto this program, I highly recommend that y'all take advantage of these programs and these rewards. And may God bless all who are trying to get rid of things that their mothers may have put onto them, or their fathers may have put onto them, or their sisters, or someone else that may have gotten and taken advantage of their stuff. I highly recommend that y'all take a look and take a step to fixing your credit and not making things worse. And this company will make things better for you. May God bless all who hear and listen to this.